tire for this boy.
Madam, I'm considering you because you are such a gentlewoman.
Day before yesterday, now cartoon you watch.
What is this?
Let me. No, my child don't tire me. See, they don't already they complain. Come on for here, Joe.
I told you to stop following me. You are gone. You don't know me. You are gone today. Nonsense.
Please, sir, don't tell my father. Please, sir.
Give me one good reason why I should not report your dubious characters to your biological father.
It's the work of the devil, sir.
You are an aquatic organism, an examination malpractice agent. From now henceforth, you have been sacked from this school.
But sir, I'm not working in this school now. I'm just a student.
You see why I said you are from the aquatic kingdom? Now get out of my sight before I lose my temper on you. Nonsense. Get out. Get out of here. Make compo.
I don't vex so now. You know always they read. I don't know what they do. Now Spider-Man, cartoon. They just they worry. I don't tire for this boy.
Madam, I'm considering you because you are such a gentlewoman.
Day before yesterday, now cartoon you watch.
What is this?
Let me. No, my child don't tire me. See, they don't already they complain. Come on for here, Joe.
Madam, don't worry. Let it come. Now, he's just a boy now. Boy, come, come. What is it?
Uncle, what is this?
Okay, you made this? Small boy, there's nothing here. This is for kids.
Answer.
Well, this is on B lion.
Idiot. Now they spoil children for this country. Ordinary 1 billion. Now you not fit pronounce. Now you they call on a B lion. You will not get primary 3 results. They need to enroll you for primary 6. Mumu. Yes, I'm actually at home right now. I said I'm at home.
Daddy,
Come. Shh, don't disturb me. I'm making call.
Daddy,
God, what is your problem? You are taking this and you are still disturbing me.
Daddy, Wada is coming to eat our Christmas food again.
Now Merry Christmas, oh.
Merry Xmas.
Papilo, how this Christmas they be now?
Not me they born for Christmas, so now Jesus they born. Go ask her.
Papilo, we not the quarrel now. I be saying make I just not join your family, make we celebrate the Christmas together now.
Oh, sorry, we don't go cook. We never buy food for Xmas. Just go Bethlehem now, Jesus family day. So that you go join the family celebrate. I will hear say they buy cow for Bethlehem. I will break the head of this thing. Nonsense. Yo.
Papa, no, don't kill him.
No, nonsense, boy. This boy is such a dumb boy. Your mates are here scoring 10 times, you are scoring 5 over 10. Nonsense, he doesn't know anything. Do you think I'm picking school fees from the ground? See, you will not eat in this house again. Let me use you on this one.
No.
Opayi,
Yes.
what you do your leg like this?
His papa, he's scared I score 5 over 10. He broke my leg.
So because you scored 5 over 10, now Papa beat you, break your leg like this?
Yes, sir.
No, nah, that's not fair now. That's the way score 5 over 10, you not try? Out of 10, you feel score 5, you not try? Now wow. Out of 10, you feel score 5, you not try? Now wow, that means person will just score 0 now. Now key, now Papa go kill him. This one no. See, tell mama say I don't go village. I don't go meet grandma until when school reopen. Now I go come back house.
This man! What are you running? What running?